Digitalization, decarbonization, and sustainability are redefining the construction landscape. But for leading industrial players, these shifts aren't just trends, they challenge market leadership. How do you identify revenue white spaces when the entire industry is in flux? Stellarix helped a Thailand-based industrial conglomerate address these challenges. We mapped the construction technology landscape and validated the best opportunities directly with builders and distributors on the ground. The result? A prioritized set of high-margin revenue streams, immediate market fit through localized validation, and a clear roadmap to defend market share against agile competitors. Wondering how strategic market intelligence can turn industry disruption into your biggest growth opportunity? Let's connect and discuss the prospects.